The ACC has welcomed the ruling by an Environment and Lands Court, which cancelled title deeds of 5 companies that were fraudulently allocated more than 50 acres of land some 23 years ago. The piece of land, which belongs to the Met Department, has been the subject of a protracted court battle for over a decade now. Zainab Ismail has that story.
It had taken the anti-graft body 11 years to recover this massive 53.4-acre piece of land, which had been subdivided and shared among 5 companies back in 1997.
The case came to the KACC, at that time Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission, and in 2009 the KACC filed a case for civil recovery before the environmental court. It was now a court case that is a battle between the EACC and I would say the grabbers and the Commissioner of Land and some of his officers.
The 5 companies allocated the piece of land are Vuran Industrial Credit Limited with 15.5 acres, Hillbrow Properties Limited 9.9 acres, Pamba Properties Limited 7.3 acres, Brentwood Traders Limited 9 acres and Beacon Towers Limited 11.7 acres. They were all established between 1995 and 1997. But that's not all.
The irony is that all those companies, the shareholding appears to be from 2 individuals.
The 2 are identified as Kantibai Maganbai Patel, who had 99 shares, and Harish Ashbai Patel, who had 1 share. Kantibai died in 2007 and the parcel was inherited by his daughter, identified as Pritibala Shah. In his ruling, Environment Court Judge Elijah Obaga held that the then Lands Commissioner Wilson Gashanja alienated the land, which was not available for transfer as it belonged to the weatherman, and that such power was only reserved for the president. Court records further note that former lands officer Jotham Kilimo testified that he was forced to approve the irregular transfer because he received orders from Gashanja, and defying them would have been costly, he says. So he agreed to the irregular land transfer.
The Met Department has its own plans, but now they were scared because they knew the land belongs to them, but they don't have the titles. Right. And you know, we had a problem before in government. Most of our government institutions did not have titles.
The prime piece of land located in the industrial area of Mombasa Road still hosts 2 blocks, a transmission station, 14 masts and a generator room.
We are glad that now this land will revert back to the Meteorological Department of the Government of Kenya.
And a warning to land grabbers.
We are telling those who have grabbed, we have a window for the EACC. When we file a case against an individual or entity, we know very well that we have enough grounds for us to argue our case before the court.
Zainab Ismail, NTV.